lovely people. How are you? I am doing fantastic. So if you read from the title, we have a new subscription on our channel called Slay Glam Box, and I am so excited about this subscription. So this is brand new. This month, February 2019, is their first box ever, so I am excited. I was tagged on Instagram from Just Wish Beautiful, and she tagged me, and she messaged me, and she said, "Did you hear about this new box?" And I'm like, "No, what is it?" And so thank you so much for letting me know about this. I went over to Slay Glam's Instagram, and I looked it up, and I also want to tell you a little bit about it so that I can get my stuff right. So this is a $24 a month subscription, and you are supposed to get 5 to 7 beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, or fashion each month, and it is supposed to have a minimum value of $100. And I thought, yes, please sign me up. Another thing about it, I also like that you get to pick colors as well. You get to customize it. So for the month of February and for the month of March, there were some lipstick shades. I think like one of them had like 9 shades. Some of them were matte, some of them were gloss, and you got to customize what you like. So I like that as well. Also, if you were one of the first 24 people that signed up, you got a free gift every month for 12 months for a year. So I was one of the first 24 people, so I'm excited about that. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So it comes like this, and inside, I thought this was so cute. It looks like this. Slay Glam Box. It is so adorable. So I really like it. One of the things I know that's going to be here is something that I have on, and I will tell you a little bit about that when we get to it. Before I forget, I do have, what is today, Tuesday, 2 more days to enter my giveaway. I will leave it down below. It's a shampoo and conditioner called Formulate, and they customize everything. Like I said, I'll leave that down below, and make sure that you're subscribed, because in a few days, I will have my 2-year anniversary giveaway uploaded, and that is at least 2 winners that's going to win. So that's exciting. So you just make sure that you are subscribed. All right, so I'm just going to cut the tape because it's pretty taped up here. So I haven't opened anything up. I do know a couple of things that are going to be in here. Okay. So yeah, let me know, what do you think? What do you think about the price, $24? Let me know. All right, let me see if there is a card. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. All right, let me look. Okay, yeah, here is a card. All right, so it says Slay Glam Box. Thank you for subscribing. And then on the back tells you what the products are and the prices. So does it have like, no, I will add everything up and leave it down in the description box what everything adds up. All right. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is what I have on my face. This is the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. I'm not going to open this up because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. So I'm going to show you mine, and that's what I have on my eyes. So it looks like this. This is the Tease Me palette. And it comes with a little mirror, and that's what it looks like. And I have to be honest with you. This kind of looks like the Huda palette a little bit. But I have to be honest, I don't really care for Beauty Creations, the brand. But this palette, I really, really like. I'm going to do a few swatches for you. I mean, the pigmentation is just gorgeous. All right, here's 4 shades right there. I'm going to do some swatches. Okay, look at that. I mean, that's just gorgeous. Let me, oh my God, I just dropped the palette. All right, let me wipe my hands off. I'm going to do a couple more swatches as well, so you guys can see. All right, I'm going to do a few of the matte shades now. And I'll do a light one so that you can see. So there is that right there. I almost dropped it again. All right, let's see. And there are some matte shades. I know my swatches are horrible, but I mean, these are like foiled and they are gorgeous. And that's all I have on my eyes is just that palette. So I really, really like it. So I was quite happy to see that was going to be in there. And that is valued at $16. All right. The next thing I like, so you got to pick your shade with this. This is a Sephora, I think it's a lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see right there. And what does this say? So yeah, this is a lip gloss for $8. So I love lip glosses. What color does this say? Does it say the color? I can't read it. Tan lines, I think the color is. So I'm definitely excited. So you have a Sephora item in there. I think I told you the price, right? Yeah, $8. The next thing you have, I like that they have everything wrapped up good. So this is a Lip Fusion XXR Advanced Contouring Plumper Problem Primer. So that's exciting there. I don't think I've ever tried anything like that. And this would be $38. So let's see. So you would put this on before you apply your lipstick. So usually stuff like this, when you put that on, it's supposed to kind of take any kind of like creases and or to also make your lipstick last longer. So this says it's $38. All right, what else do we got? All right, so this is from Beauty Creations again. This is a Scandalous Glow palette. And how much is this? Where you be? Okay, $11.99. So I don't think I've ever tried a highlighting palette from this brand. So there's the packaging. It comes with a mirror. That's good. Here's the, all right, and I'll do some swatches with this. So that's what it looks like. All right. You know what? Let me take off some of these swatches so that you guys can see. Okay. Let me wipe my pants to dry it off. All right, so let's do some swatches. Oh, that's not bad. So there we go. All right, let's see. And there are the highlighters right there. So that's really pretty. That's pigment too. I like that a lot too. So I never used it. I don't know how they apply, but I'll definitely try it out and let you guys know. And what else do we have in here? Okay, so then we have, what is this? This is a Lash Enhancing Liquid Treatment Eyeliner. This is $28 as well. All right. All right, what was this by? Lash Fusion. So that's what it looks like right there. All right, let's see. All right, so there we go. Oh, that's pretty. That is really, that is like really pigmented. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I usually like to wear this like right above my top eyelid. I don't have any on today, but I really like that too. And the free gift that I have is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Being True Essential Anti-Fatigue Eye Contour Gel. So that's pretty good, and you get 5 of them, sample. So I'm not knocking it, it's free, so that's good. So let's go over what we have. So this is the packaging. I think it's pretty. So we have the highlighting palette, which was, what did I say it was? $11.99. So then we have the eyeshadow palette, which would be $16. Then we have this Sephora lip gloss, which is really beautiful, which was, how much? $8. And I like the fact that you get to customize the color that you like. And then we have this lip primer, which is what? It's a plumping too as well. So it's $38. So it'll plump up your lips. And then we have this lash enhancing liquid treatment eyeliner, which is $28. So I guess it's an eyeliner and an eye treatment too, maybe for your eyelashes. I don't know. I have to look more into it and see what that is. So that's pretty good. I'll leave down the total value down in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think. I think for her first box, I think it's really good. It is $24. It's a little bit more expensive than BoxyCharm, but remember, BoxyCharm started like 4 years ago. When they first started, this is the exact stuff that they started in their box. And let me know what you think. I think there is, I'll also leave the Instagram down as well if you want to check it out. It shows you some sneak peeks what's going to be in March. And yeah, I'll leave everything down below. If you want to check it out, let me know what you think. How many times can I say check it out? All right, guys, please like this video. It really helps me out. Make sure that you are subscribed because you don't want to miss this awesome giveaway that I will be having. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And make sure to leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts of this box. And did you hear about it? Did you get it? Are you going to get it? Let me know everything. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.